Look at that. Ooh. Mushy.
Very moist.
Very mushy and nice. Look at that.
Tell me what you want for Christmas. Baby, what you want for Christmas. Sit on me like we are wish list.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So with me, and from the title you can see that today we're doing baking with Babsy. So you guys would have known her from my other videos that I have done some challenges with her, and you have watched already where I've been doing some cooking, and you have seen also where my nephew Cage did a Sunday dinner. So now we're moving to baking with Babsy, and today we're doing our Christmas fruit cake. So if this is something that you definitely want to see, then definitely stick around, and also do go ahead to hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And I'll also be linking her page, which is Daily Devotions with Babsy, down in the description section. So guys, let's get into the video.
Lemon grind, baking powder, lemon juice, salt, nutmeg, cinnamon powder, mixed spice, almond flavor, rose water, browning, vanilla, and Carl's fruit wine. Soaking fruits, we have raisin and prune and cherry in here, and some currant, flour, sugar, eggs and butter, and my baking tins.
So guys, the full listing of the portions for each ingredient will be down in the description section, so definitely go there to check it out to see what amount of what ingredients will be used in baking the Christmas cake.
Okay, so I'm going to be creaming my sugar and my butter.
So that's 1 pound of sugar and 1 pound of butter.
Right, a pound of sugar and a pound of butter. And I'm going to be doing it the old-fashioned way until it is fluffy and nice. You can use your mixer if you have it, but I am going the old-fashioned way. You know, this journey takes a little time.
Next up, going to be beating the eggs. So beating the eggs I can do Alright, so it's 1 dozen eggs.
Alright, so we're now going to be blending some of our fruits. We're not going to be using all of this, alright? So as I say, this is cherry, currant and raisin. I think I said that we have prune in it, but there's no prune in it.
And what's it soaked in?
And it is soaked in wine, in the Carl's fruit wine. As here in Jamaica, and for those who in Jamaica know that red label scarce bad. All right, let's go. I'm now adding the dry ingredients to my already sieve all-purpose flour, 2 cups, right? I'm adding my cinnamon until the ancestors say stop.
Until the ancestors say stop.
I'm adding some mixed spice. My baking powder. A little salt, just a pinch of salt. My nutmeg. And I'm going to incorporate that. A little spoon with the oil. Dry ingredients now. I'm just gonna mix that all up. Okay, mix that all up. Okay, then I'm gonna be putting this aside, and then I'm gonna be adding my liquid to this. See, creamy and nice, fluffy. Woo. Until the ancestors say stop.
Okay, adding
A little rose water. A a little almond flavor. Some vanilla, which can't be too much. And then I'm gonna get that mixed in. I'm now adding my lemon juice. That's help to cut away the head, taste and smell of the head. My lemon grind. And I now add my head in small portions. Okay. Getting my fruits in. Sorry guys, I start adding the browning. Alright, so I'm adding some browning to get that color. You can add the amount you want to how black you want it, but don't add too much because browning makes things bitter. But I think I'm going to be adding a little bit more. So I know you guys are wondering what is that frying sound. If we're baking, Kate is over there making weekend dinner. Chicken and chips. Okay guys, I think this is it. These are my things. You're wondering. I'm just gonna grease them and dust them with some flour. You can comment below and tell me if this is the way you do your thing. This is just my way of doing it.
Next morning, okay, and this is the finishing touch of my Jamaica black cake. Here you go, guys. Moist, soft, and nice, and easily come out of the container. Alright, and this is a slice because we finish eating one. And this is a slice, and look at it. It's soft and moist, and as Mr. Blair says, have weight. Look at that. Ooh, mushy.
Very moist.
Very mushy and nice. Look at
So
that.
guys, let me know down in the comment section what you think about our Christmas black cake or Christmas fruit cake. And it's also the same cake that is used for wedding receptions. All they do is just icing and use. So let us know down in the comment section how you think we did. Is it looking moist and nice? Look at it. Letting you guys in on some of the details. Yeah. So guys, so this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. As I said, remember to comment down below. Let us know what you think about our Christmas cake. And of course, leave us a like. If you're new to the channel, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And of course, I always end my videos by saying, continue to be your most authentic self. And of course, guys, continue to stay naturally. Until next time,
Peace.
bye.